Hello and welcome to NXG Markets. This is Mohsen Ismail. Today we are going to learn how to deposit and apply for the bonus. As you see, we are on this screen, the main screen of the website nxgmarkets.com. And when you come here, the first thing that we do is we log in. We see there are 4 types of login. One is CRM login, IB login, register, and copy trading login. So if you are a trader, you will log in on the first option. If you're an IB, then you log in over here. And if you want to register, then this is where you register. And for the copy trading, as login for the master and the follower. So to deposit, of course, as a trader, we will log in onto the CRM login, the first option, and we will go here, we will sign in. And as soon as we get signed in, it will take you to this page where on the left hand panel, you will see several options, and it is very self-explanatory that you see when you click on deposit, you get the options available like a local bank. If you want, local bank is where if you want to pay through your local bank transfer, then you select your country. And before you come over here, because as you see, if I go here now, I won't be able to see a bank, right? So one thing that you will have to do in order to make a bank transfer is that you will have to add your banking details. So under my admin, this is for your local bank deposits, or if you want to use, your bank account. So first things first is under my admin on the left hand panel, you will see banking. You click on banking and then you click on add new bank. This is where you will enter your bank details. This is one of the safest thing to do, because this will also not only just help you to deposit, but also during withdrawal, we will already have your bank details so that we can process the withdrawal smoothly. Right? So once you fill in this form and you submit, it will get added. And once it gets added, then you come back towards your deposit and then select the local bank. And then you select your country, you select the bank, and then go on next. And that is where you would put in the amount. It will ask you to put in amount, like for example, let's say I'm in India. I select India, I select the NXG bank, and then I click on next, right? Then you click on the amount and the details that you must have got from your relationship manager in terms of the bank details. You deposit there, you transfer, and you upload the receipt over here once the transfer is done to the bank account. Once this is done, then you click on submit request. As soon as you submit the request, we will get the request and it will get approved within no time. This is for the bank deposit. And then after the local bank, then we also, if you want to deposit through crypto chill, that is a cryptocurrency, if you want to transfer Ethereum, if you want to transfer USDT, you can click on crypto chill, which is one of the widely used platform to make payments and deposits across our clients of NXG Markets. You create the symbol as to whichever symbol it is, right? And or however, if it's USDT, you can select TRC20, TRX, and you just put in the amount, let's say 100, and it will come up to whatever amount it comes up to, right? And then you click on submit. The moment you click on submit, it will give you a scanner. This is the scan code. This is the address where you need to transfer the amount. Once you transfer this amount, it will automatically get updated. Just make sure that you understand that this particular link and this particular option is available only for 15 minutes. So as soon as you come to this page, make sure that you make the deposit and the payment, and we get it automatically, and it will be done for you within no time again. However, this remains active for 15 minutes, and that is it. Right now, this is with the crypto chill. Then you have my Fatura deposit, which is for the credit card. You just put in the credit card, debit card, you just put in the amount, you click on submit. The next page, it will lead you to make the deposit via your card, whether it is a debit or a credit card. Visa and MasterCard are the only accepted cards as of now. So make sure that you have a Visa or a MasterCard. You put in your name, which is there on the card, your number, your expiration date, and the CVV code at the back of the card. And then you do pay now. It will lead you to the payment gateways, and that's where that gets updated into our system, and that will show onto your wallet, right? And so on and so forth. If we go further, we have got Cheesy Pay 2 as an option. However, very importantly, just to understand, is there are a few options for a credit card or debit card. You have My Fatura Deposit, which you can use. For cryptocurrencies, you have Crypto Chill that you can use. And for bank, a local transfer, you can use a local bank. These are the major three that you can use. And of course, if there's a cash deposit or a withdrawal, you can use the cash deposit. Now, one important thing that I want you to remember over here is the moment you deposit, and if you are eligible and if you want to apply for the bonus, then make sure that you don't transfer the money from the wallet to the MT5 until you have clicked on, after you make the deposit, you come to these bonuses. You select all bonuses. Under all bonuses, you will see the bonuses that are available for your account, whether it is an equity bonus of 25%, 20%, or a beginner's boost bonus of 50%. Whichever you want to do it, you just click on accept bonus. The moment you click on accept bonus, the system will ask you then to transfer your money from your wallet to your trading account that you want to transfer. You have the transaction password, you go on next, and then you select the amount, let's say 100. You go on next, and well, because I don't have the money, so of course, in the account, this is just for the testing purpose. As soon as you do that, your amount will get transferred from the wallet to the account, and that is where you will also see the bonus being credited to your equity. Okay, so I will just summarize this. If you have not added your banking details, if in terms of the bank payment, the local bank payment, then make sure that you do banking over here under My Admin. Once you have added the information, you come to the deposit, select your suitable way that you want to deposit, whether it is a local bank transfer, cryptocurrency via any wallet, or through a debit card or a credit card or a cash deposit. These are the four options that you might want to use mostly and widely. And then once you deposit, you come on bonuses, claim your bonus, accept the links that are there on the bonus, and once you do that, you will automatically have the page to transfer the money from the wallet to the MT5, and then you can start trading with the bonus being added. That is how you deposit and apply for the bonus with NXG Markets. Thank you. I hope you understood, and trade well. Thank you.